What's up, weirdos? One last video before we call it a night. Once again, the market looking nice and green. But is it a fake out? Is this a bear trap? I'm going to tell you what I think about it, guys. We're going to have a look at the Bitcoin chart and what needs to happen. And it needs to happen now. Let's talk about it, guys. All right, so Jasmy up 3.1 on the day, down 6 on the week, 14 on the month, and 65 on the year. Even in rank at 92, $688 million market cap and 29 million in volume. Swift coin up 1.3 on the day, down 4.7 on the week, 12.5 on the month, but up 113 on the year, down 2 spots in rank to 301. $120 million market cap and 855 million in volume. Onyx coin up 1.1 on the day, down 7.3 on the week, 17 on the month, but up 627 on the year. Down 1 spot in rank to 120, $498 million market cap and 32 million in volume. And Zebek, where is our Zebek? There it is. Up almost 6% on the day, down 19 on the week, up 173 on the month, and 131 on the year. Down, up 2 spots in rank to 154, $372 million market cap and 71 million in volume. So the market is looking kind of juicy tonight. Not bad, not bad. Ooh, Mask took a pretty big hit today. Oof, gonna have to check out what happened there. Maybe a little bit of bad news. I don't know. I'll do some research on it. I'll definitely let you know. All right, let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart. All right, so here's the skinny, guys. Here's the skinny. We came down into our golden pocket box. We've moved back up. Right now, we're sitting back at $104,957, just a hair below $105,000. For me to be convinced that we're not going to continue to the downside, I would need to see Bitcoin essentially back up closing daily candles above the 30-day SMA at $105,600. Until I see us closing daily candles above that level, I will not secede to the theory that we are going to come down back inside, at least back inside this box down here. Could it be a little bit of a double top pattern here before we come back down? That's possible if we come up a little higher and reject. But for now, got to get above that 30-day SMA, guys. It was support for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, fell through the 6th day, acted as resistance on the 7th day, and we have not gotten back above it since. So when we get back above that, then we're talking business. We could even round it up to about 106,000. Really, we could round it up there. We need to get back above 106,000 and start. We could wick up there till the cows come home, but unless we're closing daily candles there, irrelevant, right? But what do I think is going to happen? I think we could come back down here a little bit more, for another 2 days, maybe for the weekend, right? We'll see us come back down over the weekend, consolidate, and then we'll probably break above it. That sounds about right to me. And one of the reasons for that is, the RSI is already, creeping towards oversold as it is. But if we go look at the M2 also, we are primed, as you can see, for this move up. I said we probably would start making our way to the upside around the 10th, give or take 3 days, if you recall me saying that. So here we are. We're on the 6th or 7th, well, 7th now that it's after midnight where I am, but let's say it's the 7th. We're on the 7th, right? So we still got like 3-4 more days before we even start to see it. We could have 6 more days before we start. Like I said, remember the 10th, give or take 3 days. So could be another 6 days before we start to work our way up here. But as you can see, the next leg up is going to be very nice. Now, we do have a bit of a correction right here, as you can see as well, in the M2. So we're going to make that next leg up, probably somewhere in the $115 to $117, $118,000 range. Little bit of a correction back down around 112. Retest that 112 level, the all-time high we hit as support, and then work our way back to the next leg up here, as you can see, all the way up to here, somewhere around 128, 29,000, a little bit of a pullback around 25, consolidate in that range from what looks like about 2 weeks. And then, we'll reach a little bit of a top on the 20th. And then we kind of slowly creep our way upwards here. Right now, we're sitting at around, following the M2 here, we're sitting at around August 21st, and we still have not seen a collapse yet. So going into August, if this continues to track somewhere in that range, remember, it's not a day-to-day thing, right? There is an 80% correlation, so it has to be a give or take. That can't be the exact day, right? But following this, guys, we have a lot of room to grow and a lot of time to do it. I mean, if we're talking about the end of August at this point, what are we right now? We're in the beginning of June, July, August, 3 months of pumpage ahead, right? So your portfolios are probably going to look, in about 3 or 4 weeks, your portfolio is probably going to look pretty juicy compared to where it is right now, right? So something to think about, guys, something to think about. Altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin on the melt up as well. So it's going to be a good time, guys. It's going to be a good time. Let's get into some of the news, shall we? But first, as always, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Get yours today, guys. Your crypto stays safe. Your fingerprint is the key. No one else can unlock it. Decent, your personal wallet. Keep your crypto safe on your Decent wallet, guys. Get the biometric wallet. They've got a 2-for-1 deal special going on for the biometric wallet, or you can get the card wallet. If you use our link, I got the hiccups. If you use our link, you get a fantastic deal on top of that, guys. Keep your crypto safe, okay? Self-custody is the best medicine. So, not your keys, not your coins. Okay, what else do we have? A little bit of a clip here from friend of the channel, Neo Sun, Neo Extrix. Let's have a look at what Neo has put together for us today. It says, have a great weekend, world. The true value is not measured by fleeting fluctuations of the markets. What we're witnessing is something special. Let's have a look. Web 3.0 and the future of the internet, guys.
True value is not measured by the fleeting fluctuations of the markets. What we are witnessing today is not the result of short-term speculation, but the culmination of a long-matured technological vision, implemented over nearly a decade. What drives us is a deep passion for technology and its liberating potential for humanity, far beyond any financial consideration. Those who know how to read between the lines, who perceive the weak signals, can already glimpse the future. For the boldest innovations are often born in silence, ignored by the majority, before imposing themselves as evidence. Yesterday's skeptics inevitably become tomorrow's fervent believers. This pattern has always repeated itself. Today, the former Sony elites who founded Jasmy aligned with the ideals of an enlightened Japanese elite, and in the spirit of thinkers like Ken Kutaragi, the father of the PlayStation and advisor to Junction, are working to redefine the trajectory of the world. Japan, with unwavering commitment, aspires to once again become the beacon of global innovation. The impatient, obsessed with short-term price movements, miss the essential. These fluctuations in no way reflect the intrinsic value of what Japan is building. Let us no longer speak of price, but of greatness, that of innovation, and of the new model emerging at the intersection of technology and the reindustrialization of our modern societies. Seeing the future is one thing, building it is another, far nobler. Because without action, innovation remains nothing more than a utopia.
I love that. Seeing the future is one thing, building it is another. Absolutely fantastic, guys. What a great way to top off the video. And listen, guys, if you have been impressed with the price action of ZBEC over this last 4 weeks or so, you have seen nothing yet. We called ZBEC 7-8 months ago. We've got 3 other calls right now over on the Patreon that we dropped. And like I said, similar partnerships, guys, similar stuff happening, decentralized finance, RWA, DPIN, and layer 1 plays, AI agents. These plays are going to explode just like ZBEC did. Get over there and check them out, guys. We dropped 3 videos over last weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We are in mass accumulation mode right now to make those 4, 5, 600% returns in rather short order. And I'm dropping 2 more videos on 2 other gems this weekend coming up. Do not want to miss it, guys. These things are going to move just like Onyx Coin did, just like ZBEC did, just like Nadex did. We make these calls for a reason, guys. Get over there, be a part of it, get in early. Don't be someone else's exit liquidity. Get in early and get out early with your profits. Also, we're live over there every single day, guys. We drop educational content. And the best part about it all is if you need mentorship from someone who's been through multiple bull runs, we have daily mentorship coaching calls over on the Patreon. You can book yourself into one today, guys. They're absolutely free as a Patreon member. So come over there, book yourself into one of our mentorship coaching calls. We teach you everything you need to know. All your questions get answered, from portfolio structure to exit strategies to profit-taking plans to rolling profits from one project to another, to identifying studs from duds, technical analysis training, tokenomics, how to do research, how to understand token unlocks, all that kind of stuff, guys. The mental and emotional aspects of this space, how sentiment drives the market, and the 4-year cycle, so many other things, guys. You can learn it all and get the mentorship and training that you need to be the best investor you can be. The link is down below, guys. Check it out for yourselves. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.